Hey there, tech enthusiasts and PC builders. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and in-depth analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cases with the Corsair 4000D airflow tempered glass mid-tower ATX PC case. If you're looking to build a high-performance PC with impeccable cable management and exceptional cooling, you're in the right place. Let's explore this beauty. The Corsair 4000D is not just a pretty face, it's designed for functionality. With its steel front panel and optimized front airflow, you can expect maximum cooling for your system. But what sets it apart is the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System, making cable routing a breeze and ensuring a clean, clutter-free interior. When it comes to cooling, Corsair doesn't mess around. The 4000D comes equipped with two Corsair 120mm airguide fans. These fans are no ordinary fans. They use anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow precisely where you need it. Plus, with space for up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans, you have plenty of options to keep your system running cool. If you're into liquid cooling, you'll love the radiator compatibility of this case. It can accommodate multiple radiators, including a massive 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm radiator on the roof. Your cooling options are virtually limitless. Building a clean-looking PC has never been easier. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System is a game-changer. With 25mm of space behind the motherboard, you can route major cables through a single channel, resulting in a clean and organized build. Say goodbye to cable spaghetti. Need storage space? The 4000D has you covered. It can accommodate up to two 2.5-inch SSDs and two 3.5-inch HDDs, with relocatable SSD trays for added flexibility. Plus, it's ready for vertical GPU mounting if you want to showcase your graphics card in style. Modern connectivity is essential, and the Corsair 4000D delivers. The front I/O panel includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio, microphone jack. Easy access to your favorite peripherals and devices. That's a wrap on our Corsair 4000D airflow review. If you're in the market for a sleek and functional mid-tower ATX PC case that offers excellent cable management, exceptional cooling, and room for expansion, the 4000D might be your perfect choice. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights, and let us know in the comments what tech gear you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep building and innovating in the world of tech. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tech reviews and guides. Stay up to date with the latest tech trends by subscribing to Product Critique. See you next time.